To all my social friends, we're actually going to try this out from the Cobra 139, the 40 channel mod. Hope you guys actually can hear it loud and clear. I'm going to adjust the dynamic mic. That's like the the little pump up little RF gain thing. We're going to do that. And we'll see if we can switch over to the lower sideband. You won't hear it on this channel. It should sound like a mufflish on the background. You might hear something on the bleed over on that. So we know that works. So we know it's working on the base station. We tried it out today. We looked at it. When it's transmitting, it's good. We're going to see what it really sounds like. Because the microphone is the same microphone I had on the TRC-23C the last couple of weeks we've been doing. This is a different radio. It's an old from 1977 when the 40 channels first came out. No, it's a 1975 or 1976 when this radio came out. But it was a 23 channel, but it was modified to a 40 channel in the 1980s, in 1984, February 27. That's when the last time that radio was taken apart. It's in excellent condition, but like I told you, there's a burnout chip on the side. It was wired with a jumper on both sides on these, and it works good. All it needs is a meter light on one of the things. I'll put 2 meter lights in there when I get it this week. To all my social friends, including Blake and Danielle and Melissa, and Janelle, my cousin out east, yeah. This radio is my birthday, what it has. Hold on a second. What's going on with this guy? Hold on a second. See if it's actually the wires doing this. Something's burning out on the LED light. Hold on a second. Had to add that out just now. What's going on here? Oh yeah. There's a problem with the radio. It's burning out something. I'm not worried about that. It's alright. There we go. It kicked back on. It's usually a jump. It was a little bold voltage. So I'm sorry the camera flipped over. So we're going to try it now this time. See what we can see. That was my camera failure, but don't worry about that. We got to see if it works. I want to see what it really sounds like, but I paid for a $100 radio I got for $101 off of eBay. It came with a microphone, but I put something really better on it. Truckers told me they can hear me really quite good. I'll be right back in a minute. We're going to see how she sounds like. Make sure our SWRs are good. Oh yeah, too high. Hold on a second. A little jumpy, but it'll be okay. It's 1.1, that's good. So it's not high. Okay, we're going to see how she's going to sound like. This is the test we're going to try. Radio check, this is the Foxman 362. So, I'm trying that on a mobile rig. I'm on my Cobra 139 base station. So, we're going to be doing some tests right now. So, if you can hear me on this thing, yes. It's actually an old 1975 radio. I'm staying on channel 12 for a while. we're going to try to do from the mobile rig in the car and from the house to the base station. So it's actually blowing pretty quite good. I got a Superstar DM452 Echo mic on it. It's got a dynamic mic, that's what I'm doing. And I want to do some tests right now. See if you guys can hear me quite loud and clear. To all my special friends, including Blake, Danielle, and Melissa, and my cousin Janelle out east. So this is the base station hookup to the same antenna the last couple of weeks I've been doing on the Realistic Navajo TRC-23C, all crystals radio. This actually has crystals too. This is a modified 40-channel system. It was modified back in 1984. It has a label sticker with the last time it was modified, and that's what it was. This was actually a 23-channel base station before that time, when it had actually a knob just like this one. Instead it has a 40-channel knob. Instead it has like these little dots that are off a little bit each number, not likely, and that's how it works. We're going to be replacing this with some LED lights sometime in about 2 weeks or a week from now. I'll have to try to order it real soon for this radio. So this radio is in really good condition, like I told you guys on the video. So we're going to do some testing right now. Here we go. Audio. So let's actually try out the dynamic mic. I'm going to try to turn this down a little bit. See it does. Audio, 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 audio. Right there. Audio, 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 audio. Dynamic mic going down. Audio, audio. Testing, testing, testing. You see the difference? It's actually, that's your main knob that runs the radio. And it's going way down there. It's a little bit low right there on 95%, between right there on the modulation. So I'm going to turn it back up, turn it back low. Here we go. Back audio again. We're turning it back up. Audio. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Audio, 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 audio. Now really loud. So it's full max. Also now we're going to try upper sideband. We're going to switch over. We're back on AM. Now we're just like, you heard that rumblish in the background? That was the upper sideband, lower sideband. So I knew it was working earlier today. So I'm going to come back here in a couple minutes. We're going to try something to see what it sounds like from the radio, but it should be sounding really quite good right now. But truckers can hear me all the way down about 4 to 5 miles away from my position. Just want to say, you guys have a wonderful week. Catch you all later. This is the Foxman 362. I'm on 10.7 for a while, and we're going to try to do on the other end, see what it sounds like on the space station. 10.4 for the mobile rig on that one.
So I'm going to actually do another video in a second, and I got to let you go. Have a wonderful week this week. And I'm going to try the base station on the other end right now. So let me try. cut this video out and put the second video in the third video.